The government of KwaZulu-Natal, under the leadership of the Premier A.T. Ntuli, is calling upon the whole of the nation in KwaZulu to attend the Reed Dance ceremony, which is the 40th anniversary this year, as this celebration was kick-started by the late King Zwelithini Kabheka uZulu in 1984, together with the late Queen Mantombi, and the late traditional Prime Minister of the Zulu Nation, Umntwana wakwaPhindangene. This year, we are celebrating 40 years of Umhlanga. It's a big celebration. All the roads on the 14th of September lead to Enyokeni. We have started with the smaller celebrations where all the districts in KwaZulu-Natal during the month of August were celebrating the Reed Dance in their districts. We have also started with the build-up, which was Enyokeni last Saturday on the 7th of September, where His Majesty King Misuzulu kaZwelithini was leading the celebration through the attendance by mostly the district of Umkhanyakude and the district of Zululand and the surrounding areas. This coming Saturday, it's a big celebration. All the issues pertaining to the safety on the roads have already been attended to. The Department of Transport has visited all the depots where the buses will be kickstarting their journey to Ulundi, to Nongoma, and we have got good cooperation with all the government departments. We want to thank the Department of COGTA for the preparations. We thank the assistance by the Department of Social Development, the Department of Health, the Department of Economic Development and Tourism in KwaZulu-Natal has already started with the build-ups, and we thank them for what they have done to sensitize the Zulu Nation about this forthcoming 40th anniversary of the Reed Dance at Enyokeni. We are going to be hosting the maidens from the Eastern Cape, the buses are coming. The maidens from Gauteng, the buses are coming. The maidens from Mpumalanga province, the buses are coming, and other areas. We have got delegations from across Africa. We have got delegations from the USA and other countries. This is going to be the biggest celebration ever of the Reed Dance at Enyokeni. The king is ready, uZulu is ready, government is ready. We are all ready to host this biggest celebration of 2024 Reed Dance ceremony in KwaZulu-Natal.